This is the brief on the uniqueness principle of electromagnetic fields. So, at its core, this whole idea is kind of like a perfectly designed puzzle. It's about how, with the right inputs, nature locks in one single reality. There's just one right answer, and that's it. Okay, so first up, you've got what's called the internal source distribution. Just think of these as the charges, the fixed pieces, right in the middle of the puzzle. They're basically the system's DNA. They define the field's whole character from the inside. But, those middle pieces alone, they don't give you the full picture. So, second, you need the edges. These are the boundary conditions. Forget the complicated math for a second. Just picture them as the rigid frame of the puzzle. They lock the whole thing in place so the field can't just drift off. And finally, this is the real clincher, the proof. It's what guarantees there's no plan B. The math basically shows that if you try to nudge the field even a tiny bit without touching the sources or the frame, you get a total contradiction. It just doesn't work. It's like forcing a square peg into a round hole. And that's how you know the inside sources and the outside frame come together to create exactly one outcome. So in the end, what you're left with is a single solved puzzle, a system where only one physical reality is even possible.